They're probably picking up their shit slowly.
Yeah. Hey, look, that door's open. My pants are sagging. Come on board. Oh fuck.
You guys all slept together or let it? Here, keeps closed. How do you miss this? Oh, there's a cone.
This is just scary. Hey, let's go, guys. This shit is fucking dope. Look, there's more.
Holy shit.
That shit is abandoned.
I was about to say if there's egg, we could have gotten eggs.
Nah, they wouldn't leave the eggs. Look, a motorcycle. I just
There's
found
a
it.
tractor over there too. So this is how they would package that.
Okay, that's fucking creepy.
It is. Oh, there's like their staff.
Look, a fire extinguisher.
A charger. Oh, where? Let's get it. I doubt it works.
Hey, why the fuck is this shit still working though?
Dude, I'm telling you, like, I think, look, this charger is brand new too.
I think there's a security in here.
This is musty as fuck.
I think there's security in here.
Open it, check if there's anything fresh. See? It's all empty. Nah, I still.
Oh, that smells nasty.
They're probably just trying to get shit all Tommy. Oh, that is. What the fuck? That's.
There's nothing in
It looks like that'd be your.
I know, I thought so too.
Hey, let's go over there. I know, we could be just trapped in here. Ah, get the extinguisher though.
No, I can't carry two things. Not my. We'll come back. We'll come back. Yeah.
Yeah? Oh shit,
Let's
that
go.
shit looks scary. What the fuck? Oh, it is a cat. Sorry.
Hey.
Plus we could run into the field.
You think we could go in there?
This is where they have all the chickens.
Aw, it's cute chickens.
Like how? Hey,
Oh,
it's close
shit.
to the Harupa. Wait, who asked? Marta?
Nardo?
No, this one. Oh, the fluffy. I don't know.
Ooh, what is this? Not enough flash for me though. I can't
Here, let me
see.
get you. I got you for the footage. Come closer then.
There's not much. Oh, another fire extinguisher. Dude, we could use that shit.
Let's go. You gotta get it for the.
Yeah, we gotta
Come
get
back.
now. We
Or
should, we
get it
should
right now.
bring it closer.
Yeah.
I thought you were recording.
Nah, I will. Should. Oh, I should. Huh?
Yeah.
Back this up with flash.
I have a shitty ass camera, bro. I should have brought my iPhone. Where the chickens went? Oh, I got stuck. Oh, that's birds. That's poop. Ah, but it's right up. Dude, look at all this shit. That's all shit. That's all shit, bro. Frankie.
Another.
Yup.